Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to do compound assignment with augmented multiplication. That sounds terrible the way that it's described, but it's actually a very useful tool in programming. I think you just have to understand it. The multiplication equals operator means like language piece, multiplies a variable by a number. So whatever your variable was before is equal to that number times 5 now, if with this statement. This will that's what that says. This will multiply my vert by 5. This can be written as, you can write it like this. This is the same as this, right? These are exactly the same. They're just written differently. So you could actually write perfectly fine, excellent programs using this. This is just computer programmers' ways of making things a little bit more cleaner in their mind, but at the same time, a little bit more complex for people that are learning it. So what they're doing in this is the exact same thing as the last ones. They're just trying to get us to basically move this star to the other side of this exclamation point. So right now A is set to 5. We want A to be equal to what it's set to right now, 5 times 5. So A is going to render out to be 25 because 5 times 5 is 25. And then the way they want us to write that is like this. The same thing with B. And the same thing with C. To be honest, I very, very rarely use the multiplication operator. Let's see if this passes the test. Great, it does. Okay, so let's elaborate on this a little bit more. Let's set a variable equal to bear, and that's going to be equal to 1. If we go bear multiplication equals 2, and then what do you think? So what's going to bear render out to be? It starts with 1, and then bear is multiplies equal 2 times 1. Remember that it's equal to bear times 2. This is the exact same thing as what we had written just a moment ago, right? Bear is equal to bear times 1. So 1 times 2 is equal to 2. And now what happens if we were to just go like this, and then we add bear into the console log so it comes out down here? We get 2. Okay, cool. So what's another one? 2 times 6, right? That would be another one to figure out. So 2 times 6 is 12. So if we go bear multiple equal 6, then this is going to become 12. And then we could do 12 times 2 to be 24. We could either go bear is equal to bear times 2, which would give us 24, or we can go multiplication equals, and we'll still get 24. Okay, so I hope that helps. I'm going a little bit more into detail for that reason. Obviously, all this bear stuff is completely unimportant in terms of just passing the class, but I hope that this helps you to kind of get a better understanding of why you're learning this this capacity. It's exactly the same as addition and subtraction that we've done previously. And the next lesson is division, so that'll be exciting. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next lesson.